welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing something a little different. I'm gonna be trying on 2 wigs today, but these wigs are not just wigs, they're wigs attached to caps, which is really cool because then you don't have to worry about like cutting any lace or like trying to make it blend in or anything like that. It's pretty much for like when your hair looks dusty or it looks like trash and you're trying to like run to the grocery store or you're going out with friends or whatever, and you're not gonna comb your hair and you just want to look fly, you know, without the stress of like putting on a wig or putting on weave or whatever. So if you want to see how these look and how it turns out, just stay tuned. Okay, so y'all ever heard of like caps with extensions? If you've never heard, me neither, but my girl found that and I was like, I gotta have it. So I ordered this on Amazon, and this one is from ST Fantasy, and it looks like this, and it's literally a beanie with hair attached to it. I know. So let's take this off. And let's take the tag off too. It comes with a wig cap and some clips. But in here, yo, look at that. It's so soft. And the hair is like attached to the beanie. That is so cool, right? Okay, so let's try this. Let's see how this looks. Oh my god, this looks so good.
I'm shook.
Beige, wait. Oh my god, y'all. This looks so legit. Like, you would never know. And, like, it fits my head perfectly. I forgot to put the wig cap, but that's... Oh my god, look at this. Like, oh my god. And it feels so nice. There's, like, a little bit of shedding, but not much. But this looks so good. Bitch. Y'all, like, I could see myself like wearing this during the winter, like when your hair looks like trash and you just want to put something over your head that will actually keep your head warm and also make you look fly, like, you know, like you got it all figured out. This is it. Okay, so this looks good. Let's try the next one. Okay, so the second one I have no idea what the name of the company is, but I'll link it down in the description. And I also got this from Amazon too. So let's just go ahead and look at it. So it's a cap with the hair attached. Let's take the net off. Ooh, look at that. Okay. I should probably put the stocking cap over my head for this one. And it comes with a stocking cap. So I'm just gonna put that over my head. Okay. And then let's try this. And it has like an adjustment, so you can like adjust the back of the cap if you want to. And it's sewn in the cap, so you can see that right here. Okay. And let's just try this on. Oh my God. This looks bomb. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look. And it's really long. My only thing is like it sheds a little bit. And it's kind of like it tangles just a little bit. But y'all, this looks so good. Oh my God. I like this. So like if you don't want to wear a beanie, but you know, going out and you want to wear a cap on your head and you know your hair looks dusty under that cap, you can definitely do this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Ah, I feel this. Good. I'm definitely going to link everything down in the description. And tell me if you like these. Just tell me which one you like, because I like both of them, and I will be wearing both of them. But like, tell me which one you prefer, or which one you think you actually try out. I think I got them for like $20, y'all. $20, and you can look bomb and still be a mess underneath. It's okay. It's okay. But this, I fucks with this. Yes, ma'am. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.